Ready to record or when you're ready to create your site at myflock.com, you can go and create a free trial site by either clicking on the Getting Started menu, or if you just scroll to the bottom of any page and click on the Join Now button, it will take you to an area where you can go through and start to create your site. One of the first steps you're going to want to do is select your state, and then it will show a listing of the cities, and find your city on the list, and it will show a listing of all the churches within that city. If your church is not listed, choose the option My Church is Not Listed. We'll go ahead and select the church, and I may need to come in here and update some of the information for my church. For example, update my address and phone number and any information that may not be absolutely correct. And then I would come into this system and enter my first name, and then the system will want to create a profile location, or a location for your profile at myflock.com. So you go in and enter in that information here. So let's spell that right. So, and then we'll want to, it will request your email address and ask you to confirm your email address. So an email will be sent to that address when you create your site. So, and then it'll request a password and ask you how you found out about it. And once you click the Create My Account, the system will automatically create a new site for you instantly. It'll also send an email with some site information to that email address. So let's go ahead and create my account. And a new site has been created for Bayview Bible. It takes me to a front page for the site, showing me where the site's located temporarily until I register my domain. And when you activate a site with myflock.com, the domain name registration is included. It'll have a link to the admin guide and a link to your admin control panel. So one of the first things you'll want to do is go to your admin control panel and begin to configure your site. And again, this information will be emailed to you for future reference.